Hi, Mark here. It is 8:15 a.m. Eastern Time, 9th of May, Friday the 9th of May, 12:15 GMT. US session just started, underway, and going into the afternoon portion of the European session. Let's have a look how the US dollar is shaping up as the US session gets underway. Couple of strong days we had in the US dollar index strong yesterday, resistance at 158. Started today high, you can see that 100.72 was the resistance, but has come down since then, and US dollar being sold off as the US session gets underway. Support at 115 for now. If I zoom in on the hourly, there you can see how US dollar index did start this today's trading day strong, but now being sold off and hanging around that 100.14, which is now the intraday support level. Let's have a look how the US majors are performing. Start on the daily, on the euro. And there you can see the past 2 days, euro was sold off, strong US dollar. Today, euro is fighting back from support down here at $1.12, sitting now at $1.12.54. EMAs are still pointing downwards. Let's have a look on the 4-hour. On the 4-hour, still down, but looking to cross over. I guess will depend on this 4-hour candlestick, sitting at the intraday resistance here, 112.50. And if I go to the hourly, there you'll see they did cross over a while ago. We're in an uptrend on the hourly, the euro strengthening against the US to start the US session, hanging around that 112.54 area for now. Let's have a look at the pound, which I believe will be a similar pattern. There on the daily, 2 strong days of US came all the way down to the 132.31, but fighting back today, same as the euro. You can see the green candle today bouncing up off this support, strong support level. EMA is still down. If I go to the 4-hour, also EMAs want to cross up, about to, but not just yet. And if I go to the hourly, there you'll see the uptrend on the hourly. They crossed a while ago at the support area, and now uptrend on the hourly, sitting at the 132.75 resistance. Buyers of pound, sellers of US, if there is a turnaround, will be looking for the 133.45 area. Let's have a look at the US yen. Also too strong. US dollar strengthened over the past couple of days. You can see that. Look at the strong run on Wednesday. Yesterday, a strong day again for the US dollar against the yen. Resistance up here at 146.17. So far today, a double top has come down off that level. US dollar being sold off as it is against the euro and the pound, and the yen is strengthening and sitting right now at 145.18. Let's have a look at the 4-hour. Similar pattern, haven't yet crossed over, but have turned down from that resistance area. And if I go to the hourly, there we'll see the downtrend. There's the crossover and sitting right now at the 145.17. US dollar sell-off and yen strengthening would look to come down here and test the 144.43 level. US dollar strength, like we saw the past few days. So if things do turn around, we'll be looking at resistance at 146.20. And lastly, let's look at the US dollar Canadian. There I can see sitting just above the 139 level. So it hasn't come off the same as the other three. We've seen a strong fight back against the US, all strengthening pretty much against the US. So far, the Canadian, not as much, still sitting at yesterday's resistance. Resistance 139.33 after these strong 2 days. If I zoom in on the 4-hour, not yet looking to cross still the same resistance to 139.33. And if I go to the hourly, there's been a gentle crossover, but pretty much sideways, sitting at that, just comfortably above the 139 level. Buyers of US, a continuation of US strength, like we saw the last couple of days, will come back up here to look and test this resistance area. So we saw two strong days from the US today. US has given up a lot of those gains against the majors, and euro, pound, yen, and to a limited extent, even the Canadian looking to fight back against the US dollar. Good trading, and I will see you at end of day session.